China's gross domestic product posted a growth of 5.2% year-on-year in 2023, higher than the annual target of around 5%, data from the National Bureau of Statistics showed Wednesday. The country's GDP reached a record of 126.06 trillion yuan in 2023.
The year of 2023 is important for the Chinese economy, and we see that the overall consumption has been leading the economic recovery since Q1 2023, and in the meantime, the investment has been helping the manufacturing upgrading and technology development in the economy as well. Later in 2023, we saw that both export and import growth has turned positive, which means that the overall external sector has been also contributing positively to the economic growth.
China's value-added industrial output, an important economic indicator, went up 4.6% year-on-year in 2023. Fixed asset investment went up 3% year-on-year in 2023, while retail sales of consumer goods, a major indicator of the country's consumption strength, climbed 7.2% year-on-year. Many foreign companies believe that the Chinese market remains an attractive destination for global investors and will continue to provide strong impetus for the world economy.
It's such an important market for us. Not only in Asia, of course, it's one of the biggest, but this market is very advanced when it comes to channels, new channels, e-commerce. There is a lot we can learn from consumer reality here in China to inspire also our strategy worldwide.